And I love the way it came out. Y'all, it smells, it smells so good.
We untouchable, uncrushable. We untouchable, uncrushable.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Dapper Diane. If this is your first time here, hey, my name is Dorothy. It's nice to meet you. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe because we're gonna get into a good, helpful video, especially for the winter time. I am making my own whipped shea butter at home. Let's go. While you're setting everything else up, go ahead, get you a pot of water boiling because we're going to double boil this. You're going to need a whisk, some shea butter, and I just got the hardened kind that's already, as raw as it can be because I'm trying to customize it. You don't absolutely need this at all, any scent or any essential oils. I just like it, so that's what I'm gonna do for mine. I have some spare coconut oil, so that's what I'm going to put into it to help with the moisture, and some spatulas in a bowl. Mind you, all of these materials, these are going to be used strictly for anything that's hair or body related. I don't know what y'all do, but for me, anything of this sort is going to remain for hair and body purposes. Even though they're like kitchen materials, yeah, it's gonna be for hair and body. And if you don't see me using gloves, because this is literally for myself. But yeah, y'all, don't mix your food items with your hair and body care items. All right, y'all, so this is the double boiling process that I was talking about. So all that water that I had in there, I had to dump some out. But yeah, you just put the water in the pot and then put what you're just heating it from underneath. So yeah, now this is the shea butter. This is a exact brand that I use. And I'm just putting it in there, and this is going into the glass bowl that I had. This is the coconut oil that I had. I got this from Trader Joe's. And yeah, it got down to the bottom, and my hand was just having a hard time getting into the jar. So yeah, I just took that out. Eventually I had to get a spoon because that spatula was not getting it out. But yeah, so as you can see, this is what the double boiling thing I was talking about. The boiling water from underneath heats and melts the shea butter and the coconut oil until we're gonna get a liquid. But yeah, right now it's just in this clumpy oil mix form until we get it down. Now we've gone from the complete liquid form. That was hot. I don't know why I did that. But since we double boiled it so that this glass pot was on top of the boiling water, none of the body products touch this pot. Okay? And just make sure your bowl is clean from the outside and the inside. But now that we have gotten it down to the liquid state, that's where we're going to add a bit of our fragrance. As I was saying, this part is not necessary at all, but I wanted mine to smell, I really like masculine smells, so I wanted mine to smell a little masculine, so that's what I got. And I got mine from Tyson's Beauty. If you live in Charlotte, you know Tyson's. And if you ever visit Charlotte, go to Tyson's. The first time I went to Tyson's, I was like amazed because it's such a huge beauty supply. But any beauty supply you go to is going to have like these little oils in these bottles. But as you can see, I'm literally just pouring it in there. I'm pretty sure I decided to put the whole thing in there. And of course, since everything's in a liquid state, it's all just going to blend in. But yeah, I still took the time to make sure it all got all in there. I'm just smelling it because I'm like hoping. At this point, I couldn't really smell it in the shea butter that was melted. So that's why I was just like, put the whole thing in there. Put the whole thing in. Now this is the itty bitty teeny tiny bit of Moroccan oil that I had left over, and this smelled really good by itself, but since it was only a little bit, as you can see, it was right at the tail end of the product. I just put whatever I had in there. But yeah, I think I got this through I want to say my Sephora birthday reward. And yeah, when I tried it by itself, it was real nice, real thick, real luxurious. But yeah, at this point, I'm just like throwing in little things that I already have. The only thing that I bought extra was the Polo Sport. And since tea tree oil is very, very strong, I only put a little bit because I didn't want it to smell minty. But I put just enough for my skin to get that little essential oil. Now we're just covering with a clean towel. And this is a towel that I use for body and hair purpose. And now we're just going to put it in the freezer and let her cool down to the state. Now it has cooled. As you can see, the ball's a little cold. But now we're about to get into the whipping process. Y'all, I had to put my phone in my kitchen cabinet up above my head so I could get this angle. And I was just amazed. I was like, wow, I can't wait until I get professional equipment. But now I'm just speeding the process up because you get the vibes. But as you can see, it's getting more and more whipped and soft. So I tried to use this pipette to get it in here real cool. And it started doing it. That's a-okay. But I just noticed it was like, I had to squeeze it all the way like down here at the bottom to get it all the way out. And I don't want to waste that much product because I don't have that much in the first place. And I love the way it came out, y'all. It smells, it smells so good. So now I'm just going to take it from here and put it into this cute iridescent type jar that I got from Dollar Tree for $1.25. Mind you, the bowl, I didn't have a clear bowl already, so I just got one from a Habitat Humanity store, $4, real cheap. The whisk, only $13 from Walmart. The pipette, only $1.25 from Dollar Tree. The shea butter, only $5 from Tyson's Beauty over here in Charlotte. As you can see, I just took the spatula and packed it in there as cute as I possibly could. So I've packaged my regular whipped shea butter into this jar. It is so cute. And I just actually can't wait to use it. And now this is where we're going to get experimental. Like, I already added the scents. And like I said, if you already have like sensitive skin, or if you just want to stick to the straight up organic natural shea butter, absolutely by all means do that. I just like scents. I like masculine scents, so that's what I put in mine. We're going to take a step further with this little bit that I have left. Mind you, I am no dermatologist. I'm no professional. Don't sue me. This is just what I'm trying for me. I'm about to put this eyeshadow, this gold eyeshadow right here that I have not used in a little while, and make it a shimmery butter. Let's hope it comes out good. Once again, you don't want to mix in any kitchen materials that you use to eat for your body products. So I just scooped that eyeshadow out with a plastic spoon that I got from Chipotle that I ate the day before. Real helpful. But yeah, it got kind of messy, but I ended up adding all of the Nubia, a little bit of Baronu, and a little bit of Oshun. And this is what it looks like in the paste. And then this is what it looks like on me. I feel like it translates better in person, but I can see the shimmer. So here's the stark difference between the one that has all of the eyeshadow in it so it can get glittery. And y'all, like I said, like I think to y'all I just look shiny, but when you see it in person, like I can actually see the glitter. I really like it. And then here's just the original whipped. But I'm very happy with what I made, and it's such cute, well, at least this one. It's cute packaging. But yeah, guys, that is how you make homemade whipped shea butter. If this was helpful to you, or if you know any other tricks of how you do it, comment below, or if you try it out, let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.